Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to resign on Darwinbox. Let's get started. First, log into Darwinbox. Open your company's Darwinbox portal and enter your company's ID and password and click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the top menu or side menu and click on Employee Self-Service or the Me tab, depending on your company's version of Darwinbox. Inside the self-service section, scroll to find Employee Lifecycle or Separation. Click on it to open the Resignation module. Click New Request or Initiate Resignation. Fill the required details such as the last working day, reason for the resignation, and option, comments, or message to HR. Some companies may also require to upload a formal resignation letter. Double check the information that you entered, and once everything is correct, click Submit and you'll see a confirmation message after submission. And after submitting, your request will be sent to your management or HR for approval. You can return the resignation section anytime to check the status. It may show stages like submitted, manager approve or HR approve, and complete exit formalities. And that's it. That's how you resign through Darwinbox step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.